Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Money Talk, and today we're gonna talk about how much money I earned in 2019 in total. Like how much money I earned in total in the year 2019 with my main YouTube, which is in German, by the way, and the name is King Junior. We are also going to talk about how much money I lost after being hacked in the month of September. By the way, let me show you something, guys. So, like, it was the saddest day of my life. I remember it was a Sunday when I woke up to check how my YouTube was performing, and I couldn't find anything on my phone. So I went online. I couldn't see anything. I was like, is something wrong with YouTube? But every other channel seemed to be normal. So I typed my name, nothing showed up, and it was just crazy. All of a sudden, everything was, whoop, it was gone. My channel was gone, and I just laid down on my bed. I looked up to the ceiling, and I was like, after so many years, like, it took me about 2 years to build up my YouTube, and it was the second year, and I was working so hard. Like, I was so consistent. I was so consistent. I was just hustling. Like, making comedy videos, making sketches is so much work. It's so much work. Like, for real. If you see someone making videos, comedy videos, it's just so much work. Like, first of all, you write down the scripts. Second, you have to then find the people that are willing to help play the roles. And third, then you film. You film different scenes, and it takes a day for one single video. And then you have to sit down and edit the videos, which takes around, for me, it takes around, like, at the beginning was like 9 hours, 8 hours, but with time, it got down to, like, let's say 5-6 hours of editing. And you upload the video, and you don't earn that much. Entertaining videos, comedy videos have a very low CPM rate. Like, it's so low, it's the lowest. It's the lowest. We do so much work, and it's the lowest. And you can imagine how I felt after getting hacked. Like, it was all I had in the moment. I was just like, what's going on? Like, how? Why me? Like, why? And what happened is, I logged in my YouTube with a wrong link. So basically, I was logging in on YouTube through my email, because I got like an emergency email from supposedly YouTube, but it wasn't YouTube. So I rushed in. I logged in with my phone, and basically the hackers could see my password on the other side, and that's how they got my password, and they just phished my YouTube channel. All of a sudden, it was gone. Thankfully, I had over 100,000 subscribers at the time, and because I had that, I could contact the YouTube creator support, and they basically helped me regain my channel after about more than a month. And I wasn't the only one. Like, there were so many victims. I found out later, but YouTube wasn't really reporting about the issue, so it was just crazy. And I thought for a second I had lost everything. Just one day before this award arrived, which was, by the way, a Monday, my channel got hacked on the Sunday. So when I received this package, I just laid it down on my table. I was just so depressed, and I was like, this award stands for my channel, King Junior. It stands for my community. It stands for my hard work, and I have nothing to show for. Like, it's gone. All of a sudden, my channel is gone, and I have this button now, and my channel is gone, what the hell should I do with this button? Like, I was just so, like, can you just imagine how confusing that is? Like, after working so hard, all of a sudden someone just comes and hacks you and everything is gone. Thank God, I succeeded to get my channel back through the creator support of YouTube. But what happened was, the month that I wasn't uploading, where I couldn't upload, where no video was being shown anywhere, I couldn't get money. So first of all, let me show you how much I earned in the year 2019, which I invested in my clothing brand, Sky's the Limit. By the way, the link is in the description. Just an amazing brand. Like, it's a brand that represents the dreamers, the doers, and the hustlers. Like, the quality is just outstanding. Like, I live in Germany. In Germany, we believe in quality, and I made sure I delivered the best quality I can ever deliver. And by the way, the brand is also sold out. So in the moment, there's nothing in the stock. There's nothing. Thankfully, like, that's the best thing that happened to me. Yeah, that's the best thing that could ever happen to me, I guess, in the clothing company, which is so competitive. I'm looking forward to do a restock soon. Just make sure to check the brand in the description. The link is there. And yeah, so let me show you how much I earned that year. So now we are here in my YouTube dashboard of my main channel, which is in German. So the comedy videos are all in German. You would hardly ever understand anything. Like, German is a tough language, and I had to learn German. Like, I came from Cameroon 2009, and I had, like, all of a sudden I'm in Germany. German is the language, and I couldn't talk to anyone. Can you imagine? Like, that's just the struggles of immigrants, I guess. But thankfully, I didn't forget how to speak English, at least to speak English understandably, because I know my accent and everything is all over the place. But still, I think you can understand me. So here is my dashboard. You can see how much I earned, and it's 27,444 euros. My CPM is 1.4. It's low. Like, that's cost per 1,000. Like, that's how much I get per 1,000 clicks with ads. It's low. And at the end, I still have to share about 45% of my income to YouTube. So what I get is only 55% of what I earned. But still, that's how YouTube is. Yeah, that's okay. But as you can see here, September, boom. That's when my channel was gone. It was hacked, and it was all gone. Zero income, till the 28th of October. That was when I had the greatest relief in my life, the greatest relief ever. And I still just continued to upload videos, bam, 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 non-stop, because, guys, trust me, even although I got hacked, my mentality was still the same. I was still focused. Like, I didn't stop making videos. I was like, you know what? Screw this. You are the one that built this channel. You earned this, and you can make it again. Like, I was like, I'm alive, I'm not dead. I was like, you can take my channel away from me, but you can take my work ethic, my passion, and my dedication to succeed. So I was still producing videos. That's why I could luckily still keep on uploading videos as soon as I regained my channel back. So yeah, That's how much I earned in the year 2019. That was the biggest tragedy that I had in my life. The only one that is even worse, well, that was close to being that worse, is how I lost my investment in Bitcoin. The video is also in the description. You can watch it. And yeah, that was also bad. And also how much I lost because of Corona. Yeah, but this one was by far the most terrifying. Like, this one was by far the most terrifying. So, like, I can say, starting from there till this day, I've had some rough, just bad experiences, I must say. But I'm still alive, I'm still there, I'm still hustling, I'm still winning, which means your mentality is what matters more than anything. Like, no matter how much you lose in life, in business, just focus on continuing. Don't stop, because what got you where you were was your work ethic, your mentality, your focus, and your dedication. So if you stop, that's when you lose. But if you keep on working, that's when you'll keep winning. And even if you lose something, no matter how great it is, no matter how big it is, you will still work and rebuild it. So guys, that's what we can learn from this. That's what I have learned from it. And yeah, have a nice day. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, turn on the notification button, and see you next time. Stay safe, invest smart, and peace.